Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Investor More. I'm doing an update video on this fix and flip we're working on. It is really windy outside, so we're gonna head in here pretty quick. Just to show you, we got a new roof on the house on the outside, but most of the work is being done on the inside. I have a few interesting things to go over here, and you can see many more videos on investormore.com/flips. Lots of information on the other 15 projects we have right now. I bought this house a few months ago. We just got started working on it because I have a lot of projects going at the moment and did not have anyone available to start on this property. So we have a before video of it. If you look in the description, I'll link to that. But doesn't look like a whole lot right now, but quite a bit of work has been done if you look at the before video. And I'll walk through the whole house here. But we have had to do some electrical work, heating work, plumbing work, and this house flooded. So I bought it directly from the seller. They had a flood upstairs that wrecked most of the drywall in the living room, kitchen, as you can see. They had a company come out and remediate all the mold, take care of it. But they decided they just wanted the insurance money and didn't want to fix up everything, so they sold it to us. There used to be a wood-burning stove right there. We just took that out, and it looks like the contractor decided it was easier just to build another interior wall instead of use the existing wall. As you can see, there's no insulation, so that'll have to be put in. We have the heat going. It's 59 degrees in here and it's set to 65. And I think that might be because there's a few holes in the house still. That goes directly outside. So I'm not sure how well we're gonna do heating the house. I need to talk to him and make sure that none of the plumbing is active. I don't think it is, but just to make sure our pipes don't freeze. We are in Colorado, and this next weekend, a storm is rolling in. That's why it's so windy. And it might get below freezing. So we need to make sure all our houses have the heat on, are checked before the freeze comes. Sometimes it's easy to forget stuff like that, and sometimes even the contractors forget. Like I just went to one of our other projects on the way over here that's almost done, and that one didn't have the heat on either. So we always make sure we check all our properties this time of year, make sure the heat's on. If the heat isn't on, we make sure the house is winterized, has antifreeze in the pipes, the water's off, and they can't freeze up because that can obviously cause a disaster. All right, we're standing in the kitchen right here. Had to do some more electrical work. You can see we've got the kitchen plans on the wall, so everybody knows exactly where the cabinets and appliances go. We're using Home Depot, I think it's the in-stock hickory cabinets if I saw them right. Very affordable. Fit this house perfectly because they're kind of going for a farmhouse look before, have some hickory trim, so that works. Back here, kind of the mudroom, laundry room area. You see a lot of new plumbing had to be put in. There, we always want to make sure the main systems in our houses are done right. Electric, plumbing, heating. We don't want to halfway do that stuff and then have the homeowner have problems later on. Some flippers may not always do that, but that's the one thing I always say. Make sure it's safe, make sure it's in good shape, even if it costs us a little bit more money. In this bathroom, one of the bathrooms here, it's mostly gutted. I think looks like we're going to try and save that tub. I'm not sure. I have to check on that. But it was a very dark, dingy bathroom before, and this is a very old house, so you can see some of the framing. The stairs are in. When I bought it, it didn't have those two bottom stairs. It was just a nice 2-foot step up. And we also found out that one reason why the house might have froze before was they didn't really have any heating vents running upstairs. So the furnace is in the basement, there's a little cellar, and it had heat coming up to the main floor and possibly right above us because this was an addition. But the other side of the upstairs didn't have any heat vents. They're just kind of hoping for the hot air rises theory of heating the house. So I'll show you where the pipes froze and what happened over there. Master bath, which we're keeping mostly as is. Replacing that vanity. There's our kitchen right there, ready to be installed. It's a little ways off, but we like to get them in here sooner rather than later, so we're not waiting on things to be done. All right, you can see here, drain pipes in. The plumbing lines are not in yet, so obviously the water's off, and we're probably just fine if the house were to freeze, but still better safe than sorry. And I'll show you why I'm showing you these pipes upstairs. We did some changes to the bathroom up there. All right. All right, so this is the upstairs. One bedroom here. This bottom level of drywall was already cut out from the flood, water damage. And the pipes froze, from what they said, right back there. So there's very little insulation and basically no heat over here. So that's not too surprising why they froze. And this is the old bathroom, which we completely gutted and redid. So if you go to the before video, the wall was about 2 feet kind of level with this post here. We bumped it out here so that we could fit the toilet, sink, bathtub all in the bathroom. In the before video, the sink was actually outside the bathroom in that other bedroom, and the doorway was right here as well into the other bedroom. So we moved the doorway right here. That's where the toilet used to be. And now we have a bigger, usable bathroom for all 3 bedrooms up here instead of having a tiny, weird bathroom that came off of just 1 bedroom. And we are going to be adding heat vents over here so that doesn't happen again. And then here is the addition that does have heat vents. You can see one right there. There's one right there. I believe those were already there, but there were none on the other side. Nice big bedroom. All right, so that's the upstairs. Have to do quite a bit of drywall work, obviously, some more plumbing work. Then we can do flooring. I mean, technically, this is hardwood, but it's in really bad shape. It's really old. You can see just nails in it everywhere. It is not worth saving. So we'll probably just do carpet up here since it's bedrooms upstairs. Down here, I'm not even sure what we're gonna do for flooring yet. Maybe some of the laminate from Home Depot. And last thing I'll show you, if you look in the before video, this is kind of an enclosed porch. It had that plastic stuff that's on the roof. It was all around the sides too. So we took that off, opened it up. It just looks so much nicer having it open to the yard, although the yard obviously needs some work. And then the outbuildings back there, nothing has changed with those. And the big shop is back there that I still haven't opened up yet. Couldn't find the key to it and haven't got that open yet. I did see it when I first bought it, but have not been in it since then. So that's the property. We still have a little ways to go. As you can see, I have one of my hourly employees working on this for the most part. subcontractor for plumbing, subcontractor for electrical. We will see if we want to do a sub for drywall or have our guy do it. Subcontractor for HVAC, another guy for the roof. Just try and split everything up as much as we can, get it done faster and cheaper that way. So we'll see. On the rehab costs, honestly, I have no idea where we're at right now. I think we were assuming it'd be about $50,000 for this one. And with all the work we're doing, probably be at least that. We'll see what happens with a rehab budget. But thanks for watching. We'll have more videos coming up soon. Please subscribe if you want to see those. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to respond to those. And we'll have some more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.